Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 4th generation. In this video I'll show you how to add internet speed indicator to status bar. In the beginning, let's go to Play Store and search for Internet Speed Meter app. Install this app. Now open it. Now you can close the app. Wait a second. And as you can see, internet speed indicator has been added to status bar. If you want to see it right here, enter the app, go to Settings, Preferences, Advanced Settings, and select Add to Whitelist. Now select all apps and search for internet speed meter. And select Don't Optimize. Tap Done. And it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.